Have you ever imagined a world with flying cars? A future where you can kiss goodbye to traffic jams and say hello to the freedom of the skies? Well, it's not as far-fetched as you might think, and with the rapid advancement of technology, it might be closer than we dare to dream. But one question that arises from this thrilling prospect is, in this world of flying cars, will we all need to be licensed pilots? Welcome to Imagine That, where we delve into the possibilities of the future. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to join us on this journey. Let's start with a scenario where flying cars are a reality, but they're not fully autonomous. In this case, it's likely that some form of pilot's license would be required. It would be a whole new level of driving test, with individuals needing to understand not just the rules of the road, but the rules of the air too. Air traffic control could become a part of everyday life, and we may need to develop a whole new highway code for the skies. But what about the alternative? If flying cars were to be fully autonomous, the need for a pilot's license might become obsolete. The cars themselves would be programmed to follow air traffic regulations, avoiding collisions and ensuring smooth, safe journeys. This could open up the skies to everyone, not just those with the time and money to invest in a pilot's license. There's also a third potential scenario to consider. Perhaps, like drones, there would be certain regulations around the use of flying cars. Maybe there would be designated areas where you could fly your car, much like there are areas where you can fly a drone today. In this situation, a simple driving license might suffice, with additional regulations covering the specific areas where flying cars are permitted. To summarize, the future of flying cars brings with it a host of regulatory considerations. If flying cars are not fully autonomous, we may need to obtain a pilot's license and learn the rules of the air. If they are fully autonomous, the cars themselves would handle the regulations, potentially making the skies accessible to all. Alternatively, there could be specific zones for flying cars, in which case a regular driving license, along with adherence to additional regulations, might be all that's required. The future of transportation is a thrilling prospect, filled with possibilities that we can only begin to imagine. As we continue to explore and prepare for what's to come, one thing is certain: the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Thank you for joining us on this flight of imagination. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with all the latest from Imagine That. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep imagining, because the future is closer than you think.